What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Today is another unboxing of an LG V35 Think phone case by Ringke. Now, I know a lot of you all use this brand, so I pulled the plug. I want to see what all this is about. It's military graded, so no further ado, let's go ahead and wrap this bad boy. All right, here we go. Yes, and I wanted the clear case. We got the Ringke mirror, remove outside film. All right, so use the corner of case to peel off protective film. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Said corner. I'm doing that. Okay, I think I see the little line. People talk about cutting nails. I can't even get this off. Man, forget that. We just gonna pop the phone in the case. Let's just see what it looks like. Get all that. All right, it's too much playing. Excuse me. All right, so here we go, man. Here we go. Oh, all right. So yeah, let me see what the cameras look like. Y'all catch me on Twitter, man. Okay, I can still see everything. All right. Yeah, man. Oh, snap. Hold on now. Oh, that's dope. So it got protective ports, protective pieces for your USB-C. I like that. I like that. And for the headphone jack, so you won't get dust in there. I like that. I like that. Yeah. I definitely like that, guys. Well, let me see. I'll push that in. Okay. You can see all the phone. You know what I mean? I just gotta later figure out how to peel that off. Is it on the back of here? It looked like it's on the back here. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all my other case I got from my LG V35, man. Yeah, I like it. I like that little touch. Little touches, man. It's dope. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you buy Ringke phone cases? I see a few of you all in Telegram. Shout out to Telegram Squad. A few of you all rocking these. So there you have it. Yes, I'm wanting to show off the beauty of the V35, man, for real. Yeah. All right, here we go. All right. Thanks for watching. It's your boy, Two Phones.